Look at that. Just perfectly blending into the sunset. You don't have to have all the fancy gear to do this. In fact, 90% or more of the OHV roads and trails you can do with a sedan, as long as you're not scared to scrape it a little bit and get a little scratches on it. What is important is that you get out and you explore. You can do it in a ground tent. Tons of people do. A lot of the motorcycle overlanders, they use a tent. But get out there with what you have. Enjoy the time you have, especially enjoy the time you have with your kids and your family or your friends. Because that is one thing you can't get back. But it is one thing you'll always remember.
Where you buy crazy box? You want to go to that? That's me.
That's you.
That's me on camera.
Yep. What are you going to say?
Yep.
Did it? Officially just ran out? The first bottle?
Yeah.
So that's what, 1 week?
I don't know. Like, seriously, it's turning off. That means it's out, right?
Yeah. Propane's out.
Is
Great.
it open? It's not open. I closed it.
You had to turn the propane bottle on, Kelly.
Turn the propane
I
on.
forgot I went to go turn it off because I started opening the valve and never mind.
I don't
That
know
was
what
really
she's
fast.
doing.
How are we running out of propane?
Neither do I.
Well, yay, Kelly.
So this is officially Blaze's first outing planned.
Official overland trail. Yeah, it
We-
was great.
We are
Kind
on
of.
a 4-wheel drive trail. We came in at dark, so we went through a couple sections we probably shouldn't have in the dark, but it's okay because we have lighting under Blaze and we
Yes.
have lighting under Black Betty,
Yes, that's good.
so we can still see the trail at dark.
Okay.
And if you remember, one of the first upgrades I did to Black Betty was
Lifting her.
replace the front lights, the low beams and the high beams. I replaced them with LED bulbs, and also the fog lights, I replaced them with LED bulbs. So it's daylight in front of us when we're on the trail. And then I also, it's a cheap little mod. You can put the little yellow filter lenses, I guess, on the fog lights. So haven't decided if I'm going to do that yet or not, but I have them. So far everything's going well. No scraping, no issues. We've got this whole place to ourselves. A big old 360-degree view. Killer sunrises. Killer sunsets. Got a little shadow. Where'd you go? There you are. You got something to say? What?
I say hi.
You say hi? Okay. We were warm last night. It was down to 40. Tonight's gonna be 38. Tomorrow's gonna be 30. 32. And then it's gonna be 30, 29, 28 for a couple days, and then it'll start jumping back up. So we're gonna give it a good full test.
Chimpanzee. So guys, we have a killer sunset from this campsite, and
From this campsite, this one.
my little brothers were playing with me, and my brothers are been playing with cars while since we've been here, and I'm loving the new trailer because of the sit-on-able fenders. Because of the fenders, you can sit on.
So as you can see on our Cerbo GX, We got our solar panels. We got our DC to DC charger. Battery bank. But either way, we've only used less than 4% and we've already been here for 24 hours. We've used less than 4% of our battery, of our Battleborn battery bank, and we've been here right around 24 hours already. So we're very excited about our heated lithium. We're going to get to exercise them again later on this week when the temperature drops below 32. We're going to flip the heat switch and we'll just keep using them and keep putting power in. Well, the sun is officially down behind the mountain. It means a couple things. It means it's gonna get chilly. It means the sky is gonna light up like crazy out here. All the pinks and purples and blues. Absolutely stunning. And look at that. Blaze fits right in. Look at the colors just matching perfectly. We love this life, out in the middle of nowhere, in nature, enjoying the creation, enjoying the beauty that's all around us, taking time to explore what's here. Absolutely stunning. That is a killer picture. So that's it for tonight. We'll catch you on the trail tomorrow.
We're on to the next adventure.